Dang, son. Well, guys, the new wheels and tires are on the Tacoma, and I'm super excited to show you guys, so let's get into it. Big Tire Life has me filling up at the gas station. Where we at? 320. Man, if only there was a way to get gas free for a year. Anyways, guys, with the new Tacoma. Ronin Factory? Why the heck are they calling me? Hello? Yeah, I remember buying the jacket. I'm actually wearing it right now. Did I win the truck? Oh, no I didn't. Oh, okay. What? I won free gas for a year? What? So guys, that phone call could be one of you, or you could get the other phone call saying that you won the wide-body Ford Raptor plus $20,000 in cash. Guys, right now, Ronin Factory is in their final days, and their last efforts push for this giveaway is free gas. And if you're like me and you guys own 3 Toyotas and they just suck down gas, then entering to win this giveaway right now, having the option for a year's worth of free gas is absolutely awesome. So the way you could do this, go over to Ronin Factory's website, link in the description and pin comment, use my discount code TRDJON and purchase a jacket like this or anything else on their site, and you guys can get entered to win the truck. Now also for the free gas, you guys can enter to win that by purchasing pledge packs, and that is for Meals on Wheels, the charity that Ronin Factory is supporting for this giveaway. Meals on Wheels provides food for those in need, so this holiday season, giving food to veterans, giving food to elderly people, anyone that needs food right now, that is the organization and the company that Ronin Factory is supporting, and that you are also supporting by purchasing products through the website, and you can win a truck at the same time or free gas. So guys, get entered, an amazing company, amazing charity, and best of luck to anyone that enters. Now let's get into talking about the wheels and tires on this Tacoma. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Now I know this one is coming first before the Old Man Emu suspension video, right? So that is already on this truck. Body mount chop has already been done. Upper control arms, that video is coming, but just a lot of stuff to filter through for that video, trying to make it a very good install video and product showcase video for you guys. But in this one, I will be talking about the VTX wheels that we got from Yota Mafia and the Nitto tires that are on this Tacoma. So let's start out with the wheels. We got VTX Rogue SLs, and these are in the satin bronze color to pair with the bold voodoo blue. So these wheels are 17 by 8.5 with a -10 offset. And personally, I think that is freaking perfect. Look how fake I am. You guys see the road right there? I'm off-roading. But yeah, the poke is absolutely perfect with this. Just barely goes past the fender wells, which that's what I wanted. I didn't want anything too crazy for this truck because it's still gonna be a daily as we develop it into a full overland rig. But I wanted tires that this little gutless Tacoma engine wasn't gonna hate and force me to re-gear. Now, obviously, we may have to re-gear in the future with all the added weight that's gonna get onto this truck, but as of right now, I just wanted something that was gonna be easy on the truck. Coming up to the front, we will take a look at the tires and also that lift kit in there. Oh my gosh, SBC upper control arms. But we went with the Nitto Ridge Grapplers 285 70 17s. These are a E-load rating tire, and again, those are a little bit heavy, but with the -10 offset, not really pushing them out too far. They aren't 75s, so they're not like 285 75 17 or 295 75 17, so they're not crazy big of a tire. Only rub I'm having is down here. So with the -10 wheels and with the 285 tires, I'm really only having rub on the back. No rubbing up here at all that I know about. Can't feel anything, so most likely won't need the Viper cut in the front. Still manageable for this truck. This truck still drives almost stock. Like, I do have to give it a little bit more pedal, but it drives still almost stock. And the poke, everything just looks so good with this truck. Let me know, guys, what you think down in the comments. Why the heck did I go with bronze? Well, I'd never wanted to put black on this truck just because with how big the black wheel wells are, I didn't want a black wheel, black tire, and everything to just get lost. And all you see is just this big freaking bright obnoxious truck driving down the road. So I guess I wanted you to see the big bright obnoxious truck and then also some nice bronze wheels. And I think that they paired very well. So as you can see with the Tacoma, I do have gunmetal accents. So the TRD Off-Road sticker in the back is a gunmetal,
and also the grill that we are going to replace is a gunmetal. So when I originally bought the truck, I thought that I wanted to put kind of the same type of VTX wheels that I have on my first gen Tundra, and I really thought that that would look good on this truck, but they weren't in stock at Yoda Mafia, and black ones weren't in stock, and I was okay with that because I never wanted to put black on it. And then Kyle, he was like, hey dude, we got bronze. I was like, ooh, bronze, okay, let's throw it on and see what they look like. And it was love at first sight, because as you guys can see, put bronze on the truck, and man, what wheel setup, tire setup, everything that you guys are running on your Tacoma, what color, if you guys like it on this, because man, it runs pretty good. Also, road noise, honestly non-existent. Take a listen. So really no road noise for these. These are Nitto's Ridge Grapplers. So these tires are a hybrid of both an all-terrain tire and a mud-terrain tire. So they're a little more aggressive than an all-terrain. They're not quite 100% of a mud-terrain, but they do have some characteristics of a mud-terrain. But somehow Nitto, don't know how they did it, but these tires are very, very quiet. Kind of like their Toyo counterparts. Toyo is more of the upscale brand of Nitto tires, and their mud terrains are very quiet too. A lot of people like running them because they're a very quiet mud terrain. These are a very quiet hybrid option that Nitto offers, and they're actually fairly cheap too. So these tires are fairly cheap too compared to a lot of others in the competition. So that's why I just keep running Nittos on my vehicles. I've had no issues with them. We'll come around to the back real quick, just so you guys can see that backwards stance in the back of this truck. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So guys, let me know what you think down in the comments section. If y'all are new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers, as always, I appreciate your guys' support, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, see you later. Dang. Dang, look at that, guys. So this whole side's done. This truck looks so big now. Obviously, the jack is jacked up in the front to clear the tire. But before I put it down, I just wanted to show you guys. Whoo! Nice freaking wheel choice, man. It looks so freaking killer. Ooh.